What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today I'm going to be providing a video on a company called Zing, and they are doing some massive things within the drone sector. And I'm absolutely excited to provide you guys this video. They really are. They're doing some amazing things, and it's going to be cool to see this company continue to grow, continue to expand, and see where they go from where they currently are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a ton of information in this video on this company. And so if you're interested in Zing, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we start talking about Zing, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to zing into the video. Let's go! I'm telling you, the drone sector is going to be evolving, and it's going to be fastly approaching. 2021 is going to be an amazing year for the drone sector, and a lot of companies are going to excel in the year 2021. I think Zing is going to be one of those companies that really starts to take massive strides because they're starting to branch out and do a lot of different things. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to break down kind of some of the services that Zing provides and really what it kind of is involved with right now. The very first thing is autonomous drone delivery platform, and that's a big piece of what Zing is all about. So they do offer drone delivery kits, which you purchase. Zing Drone Delivery Kits transform the most common drones on the market with proprietary autonomous flight software combined with plug-and-play devices. So I think that's very unique. And recently they did, I do believe, get approved for nighttime flying, and it comes with the kits as well. Very cool to see. So then what's included? So the ordering app is included. Customers can place drone delivery orders through our Zing mobile application. And then what does it look like from the pilot's perspective? So Zing pilot application. DJI compatible. Our drone delivery platform works with all DJI drones ranging from the Mavic Pro to the largest solutions built with the A3 flight controller. Avoid sensitive areas. Our software prevents drone pilots from flying through controlled airspace and over prisons, schools, and hospitals, which I think is absolutely amazing that a service provides something as significant as that. And then what it does is it flies autonomously. All of our autonomous flight software is built in. The drone can fly to the destination without pilot touching the remote controller. So now what we're going to do is talk about that built-in autonomous software. So Zing Exact Landing controls any DJI drone autonomously to make it land with centimeter level precision on a smart mailbox or landing pad. And I think it's kind of unique that they said mailbox, because if I do recall, they did a partnership with the likes of Valkyrie, who again provides a massive service to the entire drone sector. You guys know that I did an interview with CEO and co-founder Ryan Walsh, and absolute amazing guy, absolute amazing CEO. The company is making huge strides and doing a lot of deals, and really is going to provide a massive service for the likes of the drone sector. So continuing on, Zing Sense and Avoid. Machine learning model trained to detect cars, boats, and people as well as autonomously avoid them. Zing Deconfliction. Detects and autonomously avoids incoming aircraft equipped with ADS-B or within Air Maps Traffic API. And one of the big partners too that Zing has is with Air Maps. So Zing is making some key partnerships. They really are building their network. And one of the biggest things we're going to be talking about is BVLOS. Basically beyond the visual line of sight. And that's something that they're working on with a program called the Beyond program. And I'm excited to provide this information for you guys. So now what I'm going to do is really talk about the Beyond program. And I know that, there's no question that Zing is going to take it all in, especially when they're led by an absolute amazing CEO in Ian Anase. I know he's doing amazing things for this company, and to be able to get in to the likes of the Beyond program is phenomenal. So we're going to break this thing down. This was provided on November 5th, so keep that in mind. Kansas, also known as the aviation capital of the world, is leading the integration of drones within the airspace of the United States. The Kansas Department of Transportation, KDOT, has partnered with Zing to test package delivery operations through the FAA's new Beyond program. The program is focusing on expanding operations that are beyond the visual line of sight, which is BVLOS, improving public perception of UAS, and quantifying the economic and societal impacts of these advanced operations. That's one thing that I think is very, very important, is that you're really improving the public perception of UAS. They become more comfortable. They understand that the safety aspect is going to be very, very, put in the forefront, and something that a lot of companies are going to focus on is safety. We don't want, drones going rogue and doing damage to things. That's going to create a bad image, and that's why programs like this are going to be beneficial to a lot of companies, specifically Zing. So continuing on, Elaine L. Chao, U.S. Secretary of Transportation, announced the 3 years of information gathered under the Drone Integration Pilot Program, the IPP, will be applied to the new initiative called Beyond, which will further advance the safe integration of drones in our national airspace. The IPP propelled the American drone industry forward, allowing the unprecedented expansions in testing and operations through innovative private-public partnerships across the country. And there really are a lot of private and public partnerships that were arising from this. It's unique to see. Now, the Beyond program will build upon this success, tackling the next big challenges facing drone integration. Michael Christasios, U.S. Chief Technology Officer, commented, "The IPP propelled the American drone industry forward, allowing for unprecedented expansions in testing and operations through innovative private-public partnerships across the country. Now, the Beyond program will build upon this success, tackling the next big challenges facing drone integration." Ian Anase, founder and CEO of Zing, stated, "It is an honor to be a part of the exclusive group of partners in Kansas who will be testing and implementing these cutting-edge operations. We are grateful for the opportunity to be one of the first to implement and scale package delivery use cases that are beyond the visual line of sight, BVLOS. We are especially excited to be testing and implementing NASA's Unmanned Traffic Management UTM, which is also extremely important, system into our end-to-end drone delivery platform." So as you can see right there, it's going to be amazing to see these companies excel from being a part of the Beyond program. It's very important to establish, acceptability within communities, to see drones doing the things that we as investors and in companies like the likes of an Ag Eagle, the likes of Aero Environment, Boeing, when you're talking about, bigger companies like Lockheed Martin that are really involved with drones. I mean, you're talking companies that are going to be like Amazon and a bunch of other major e-commerces that are going to end up using drones to deliver packages. You got the likes of Uber Eats, Postmates, you got DoorDash that eventually could start really dabbling into the likes of food delivery with a drone. Then you got the likes of Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and many other companies that are involved with pharmaceuticals that are going to allow you to have pharmaceuticals and medicines delivered to your house. The options are endless. I'm excited. I know a ton of people are, and that's why I really, really wanted to provide more information on Zing. I'm excited for this company. I truly, truly am. I'm excited to see where Ian takes this company. The endless opportunities are there, and he has something special. And like I said, I'm excited to see this company grow, expand, and really just take off for the future with the drone sector in itself. This is yet again another company that should remain on your watch list. You should keep an eye. Anytime you hear about Zing, really pay attention, because I'm sure they're making some major strides and doing some amazing things. This company is yet to go public, but I do foresee it doing some amazing things in the drone sector as we continue to see this entire sector expand and grow in itself. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. That's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.